Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by collecting what helps prove your identity, devices you were signed in on, any trusted phone numbers, and possible email addresses you might have used. Once done, go to Apple's account recovery site and enter the most likely Apple ID. You will be prompted for verification options. Choose the device or phone number that receives codes. Make sure to follow on-screen prompts. Doing this starts the secure recovery flow and prevents account lockouts from escalating. Next, you perform the core identity checks. If two-factor authentication is active, you will receive a code on a trusted device or phone. Enter that code promptly. If you used a recovery key, provide it when asked and note the recovery ID shown. Sometimes Apple asks for a device passcode or proof of purchase to confirm ownership. Have those ready. If verification can't complete immediately, choose the Account Recovery Wait option. This preserves your request while Apple reviews the information. Finally, once verification succeeds, create a new, strong password and update it across your devices and services. You should sign back into iCloud and the App Store, then verify that syncing and purchases resume. Make sure to update security settings, add a trusted phone number, and consider writing down or saving a recovery key. If recovery fails or you're asked to wait, contact Apple support with proof of purchase. This is the one-key troubleshooting path that resolves stubborn ownership disputes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.